Today, the rescue brings us to Babylon, New York, where Major Michael Holtz lives with his wife, Michelle, and 2-year-old son, Hunter. While away in Afghanistan on his 3rd tour, Hurricane Sandy destroyed the family's home, and we're here to help put it back together.
While Michael was serving overseas, I was home being mom to Hunter, our 2-year-old son. The night I've realized that the hurricane was coming, I had called some friends and asked if we could come and stay with them. We weren't able to come back here until about 4 days after the hurricane hit. It was nothing that I was expecting, even though I had kind of been watching what was going on in different parts of the coast. Still, when you walk into it yourself and it's yours and it's real, nothing can prepare you for that.
So after I got home and started looking at the damage to the locations, we were able to occupy the front portion of our house. The back portion of the house, including the kitchen and what used to be our TV room and a bathroom, is still inhabitable.
You guys ready to see what we did?
Absolutely.
You like the mailbox?
Yeah.
Can I get a high five on the mailbox?
All right.
All right, honey, you ready to come home?
Yeah.
Have you missed your house?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, welcome home. 3, 2, 1, come on in.
Wow.
Holy smoke. Oh my goodness. Are we in the right house? I feel like Hunter. You know how he wants to explore and touch everything? That's how I feel right now.
What are you going to do with all these cabinets now?
Oh, I have plans.
Yeah, well, we wanted to give you guys space, you know? I know you guys had a cramped little kitchen, uneven floors, not working appliances. We wanted to take care of all that, and then crank it up a notch, give you guys a little bit more.
You certainly did that. You certainly did.
Wow.
Oh, goodness sakes.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
You know, one of the things we missed, or I've missed over the past year, is just sitting on a couch. Home-cooked meals and sitting on the couch just for a little bit, that's all.
You deserve it, sir. You deserve it. Dennis Cosgrove is a former Marine, a New York Police Department detective. The man has served his country and now serves his community. Megan Cosgrove is Dennis's wife, who unfortunately passed away during childbirth and has left Dennis to raise their son Declan on his own.
After Megan passed, I had a hard time being in the house, and it's still very hard to be in the house. You know, you turn a corner and you think of a time where the two of you bumped into each other, or just you picture her walking down the stairs. I did want to move initially, but then you start to think and you want to stay the course that you had set up as far as what you were going to do as a family, and I have to do it because it was what she wanted, it was what we wanted, and I just try and continue that way.
Head on down.
Oh, really unbelievable. Look at this, bud. Ooh, a little television. Oh, wow. God.
Look at this, huh?
When we used to walk down the stairs, it was just a dungy, cold, dirty basement. Now it feels like you can hang out down here. It's very warm.
Oh, that's awesome!
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you happy?
The most amazing thing about the basement, I think, was when coming down and seeing the house that was built for him inside of the basement, I think is incredible. It's like his own little space within his space. It's really unbelievable.
Wow.
I think Dennis and Declan are gonna have a great time down here. It's a nice, happy thing that's happened and it's finished. I definitely think Dennis is very happy.
Corporal Sherman Watson is a Marine who served 3 tours in Iraq. He's been shot twice, blown up once, and awarded 3 Purple Hearts.
I was injured a total of 3 times, 3 separate deployments, and 3 Purple Hearts. But I would say the the one injury that really, put me down, that I couldn't come back from, was the IED. I believe it was remote detonated. It could have been pressure detonated, I'm not sure, because I did see something shining, that's all I remember. And I was out for 9.5 hours, and I was unconscious for 9.5 hours, so had memory problems. I do not remember nothing from the event. I still have memory problems from what I've done in the Marine Corps.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to
Yes.
come home?
Yes.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Turn around and take it all in.
Oh my.
Oh my God! You guys want to go inside?
Yes, we want to go inside.
All right.
Okay, honey, watch your step.
Follow me.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, look at the fireplace.
God.
Oh my God,
Shut
that
up.
is
What?
gorgeous.
What is that?
That's what you call a back deck.
What?
It's a little oasis. Oh,
Oh, no
my
gophers.
God.
No gophers.
What?
This is so amazing.
Hi, I'm Sgt Tyler Megaman. I'm 23 years old, and this is my service dog, Trooper.
9 months into his deployment, Tyler suffered life-threatening injuries in a horrific accident on the Iraqi border in Kuwait.
I do not remember the day I got hurt, but I do remember the day I woke up from my coma.
Tyler wasn't expected to regain consciousness, but with great strength and support, he woke up. While this was nothing short of a miracle, defying the odds introduced countless other obstacles. McGibbon family, welcome home.
Oh my God.
Wow. It's just a little different on the outside.
So, where's our house?
Tyler, it is an honor for me to welcome you home.
Yeah. When I walked inside the house, I just got a blast of emotions, but it was so joyous and it just looked amazing.
Oh, look.
See, troops, you have a little place for your vests.
When you're off duty, you just hang that there. Nobody can bother you, all right? We really wanted to personalize this for who you are as a man, Tyler.
It speaks to who he is and who he's going to be.
Shall we see the new bedroom?
Of course. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beyond beautiful. I am so blown away, I can't even think of any words to describe it.
We know how much music means to you, so we wanted to take those posters from different concerts and different events that you'd been to.
What made it feel like my room was all unique and individualized to me.
It's Troop. This is for you, my friend.
Come on, buddy.
You make it your own. There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Oh my God.
The shower, there's no lips. It's easy to walk into. He can sit down if he's not having a good day.
Oh, I like that.
So that's your call sign, right?
Yes, that was my call sign. My call sign was Nomad 37. This is just phenomenal.
My name is Sandra Lee. I was a staff sergeant in the Army, deployed to Iraq for Operation Iraqi Freedom. I was on my way to a neighborhood council meeting to discuss, one of our projects, and just all of a sudden there was an explosion. I couldn't control the vehicle. I just remember I had a headache, but I didn't think much of it. So a lot of the returning veterans have the invisible injuries. It's the brain injuries, the post-traumatic stress. You know, if the ones who have physical injuries, you can see it. I mean, it's obvious. But the ones like myself, you don't see it.
All right, Sandra.
Hi, George.
How are ya?
Good.
You nervous?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is spectacular. You are going to love coming home. Well, you will no longer be a visitor to Cornell Street. You will now be a resident. All right, 3, 2, 1. Open the door and go inside.
It's beautiful. This is like... I mean, it's like, I don't know what to say.
Then into.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You can scream if you want.
It's like so, tranquil and like, you know, like I know, so I have a hard time sleeping at night, and I think that just being in this space is just gonna help me.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.